Hi, you guys. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you some apprenticeships and possibly internships. I wanted to give you guys some resources because maybe you finished your coding boot camp and now you're kind of looking for a job, but I think that the best way to go about it is maybe getting an apprenticeship. Apprenticeship, I believe, is better than an internship because it lasts longer and you do work. Plus, they teach you. It's not like you're actually working all day. They're teaching you also. So, um, while getting paid. Okay, so my first one I wanted to start out with is Intuit. Intuit actually just closed their applications for their apprenticeship program. They're in Mountain View, California, and they pay $40 an hour um, for their apprenticeship. This one right here, what I'm looking at though, it looks like something different. And so when I get off of here, I'm going to see what it's all about. But let me see because they have a lot of different things going on at Intuit. Um, so yeah. Let me see, internships. So if you just go to their website and go to the bottom and click on internships, you should see something there. The apprenticeship is closed, like I said, but if you want to search for apprenticeships at Intuit, you can also do that because but they might not have it, I don't know, maybe on the website now because the application closed already. But even this is good. It says whether you're looking for a 10 to 12-week internship or a 4-month co-op experience to meet university requirements, our programs are paid and help deliver opportunities to learn, grow, and make an impact. I would say if you just get your foot in the door at Intuit, that would be a really good thing to do because if you already work there, I mean, come on, they're going to try to help you be the best that you can be. So some of these things are common sense. You got to learn how to um, work these situations to your benefit. So as you can see, they have so many different internships. I mean, that's crazy. And we're only on page 1. So yeah, this is a really good one to do. And Intuit also for the other apprenticeship, I know that you did have to live in the Bay Area. So but yeah, I would definitely say to go to their website. The next one that I wanted to talk about was Accenture. So I was looking in a lot of different places. And you know what, you guys, if you go on Reddit and just look at people talking, you can see a lot of different opportunities that other people are talking about. So then you just go and Google what they're talking about. And it's like you find a lot of good information. So in Accenture, I've heard that the pay is $36 an hour. It's an apprenticeship, as you can see, and from the looks of it, they look very diverse. Let's see here, what else is going on with this one. You just go to their website and kind of just read about it. You can apply to their apprenticeship. The North America Apprenticeship Program is a full-time, year-long earn and learn program that provides structured learning and on-the-job training to build skills and advance careers. I mean, what's better than that? And I've got so many more to go. I might have to make another video for all of these apprenticeship because there's so many. Let's just click apply and see what happens. Entry-level apprenticeship, job description. This is a full-time year-long. Okay, we already read that part. Um, what type of work might be in the typical day? Analyze and test new components or enhancements to existing IT modules. Yeah, this sounds very entry level, but it's a job and they're going to teach you how to do these things. Um, yeah, this is beautiful. Okay, and look, California, 22 to 60 to $36 an hour. You see, now $36 an hour, I guess, is the maximum for this apprenticeship. So, depending on where you live, they're different, but I do believe that this one is remote also. Um, Most of these apprenticeships are remote. I know Intuit, the one that I mentioned previously, they're remote at first, but then you have to go into the office about 2 to 3 times a week. But for that internship, that one might be different. So. All right, we're going to go to the next one. Let's see, because I'm getting all of these off bestcolleges.com boot camps, and I found this by accident. Airbnb, you guys. Airbnb, I keep hearing people talk about them having an apprenticeship program. I've never even been to the website. So I'm literally sitting here researching all of these things. This one is a paid Airbnb Connect software engineering apprenticeship. Connect is a paid 6-month apprenticeship program at Airbnb that provides a pathway to entry-level software engineering roles for individuals with non-traditional technical backgrounds. I love when they say that, and sometimes they even say, you cannot apply here if you have a 4-year degree. We don't want you. Like, literally, I totally love that because those people, they can get any jobs that they want. So leave this for the people who, really need to break into tech and make some money. In the beginning, you'll learn Airbnb's technical engineering instructor about the ins and outs of coding, blah, blah, blah. At the end of the apprenticeship, there's potential to convert to a permanent entry-level software engineering role. So, yep, you heard it there, you guys. It says 6 months starting in late April 2023. So, look, of course, we have missed it, but that doesn't mean anything because you're gonna need to save these things. April will be back around. Um just complete their application. If I were you, I'd just do this stuff. So I'm already on like the waiting list or something. And look at here, it says remote. So once again, it is not at a specific location, not in a specific city. Yeah, your qualifications, you just need to be 18. You should not have a 4-year college computer science degree. You learn to code through online classes, community classes, or a boot camp. You have no prior professional software engineering experience. Don't you love it? So Airbnb, they sound like a really good one. You guys, make sure you go and check out their apprenticeship program. Next we have on the list is Google. Now I clicked on Google and it didn't show me anything. It had an error message, but I definitely know that Google has an apprenticeship program. Let's try to go here a different way. Let me see. Okay, apprenticeships, build with Google. Join a work study program at Google, gain real experience and get paid in the process. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yep, so they have it. Software engineering apprenticeship. Do you see that? But this is in France. That's what happened. I do remember. They don't, I think, have any apprenticeships in the United States right now. But if you keep checking back to the website, Google definitely has apprenticeships in the United States. Just right now, I guess it's for outside of the country. So let me see though. Let me try to put, oh, it's only got that as an option. Let me try to go out of here and go somewhere else. See what they got. Okay, so here's an apprenticeship from Google. You just kind of got to do some searching around. Let's see where this one's at. Up is in Switzerland. Okay, and when I look here, oh, Mountain View, California. Let me see. So you really got to pay attention to where they're doing these things at. But as you can see, there's a lot of different jobs. You just kind of have to look because some websites will take you away. Like this one was just a bad link. So but Google definitely has apprenticeships. If you look for them on Google, you'll definitely see, I mean, I'm sorry, on YouTube, you'll see people that have went to Google's apprenticeship and got a job. Google does not discriminate. I mean, I know it's Google, but still, they are helping people and they're huge. IBM. IBM is another one. So they have an apprenticeship program. I was listening to somebody today on YouTube talk about their apprenticeship. They have a whole YouTube video like, when you first start the apprenticeship, or it was kind of introducing it. They were showing alumni, people who just started with their apprenticeship. So it was kind of an informative video. IBM, let me see how much they pay. I have it in my notes here. That looks like I don't. But let's see if we can find out. Start your journey with IBM. Okay. From intern to software developer. Okay, so let's click on this, learn more. Hopefully this will take us to something. No, I don't think that this is it. But you get the picture. I mean, for sure, IBM has apprenticeships. Um, you definitely want to look at their website and look at the apprenticeship that they have, because I've heard great things about their apprenticeship. No degree, no problem, they say. So they probably more than likely have the same qualifications as everybody else as far as, not having a 4-year degree and things of that nature. So definitely something that you should check out. Sometimes the websites are a little, you have to really dig, but that's what it takes. But yeah. Okay, so go check out IBM. Another one is LinkedIn. Yeah, so LinkedIn has an engineering apprenticeship program. It offers a pathway to the industry for passionate learners who do not have advanced tech training. Apprentices move through 3 levels. The program lasts 1 to 5 years, depending on each apprentice's experiences, qualifications, and progress. In addition to compensation and benefits, apprentices get reimbursed for their studies. Reimbursed. I mean, that sounds the same thing as paid to me. So, um, let's take a look at LinkedIn's apprentice opportunities. What is REACH? REACH is a technical apprenticeship program at LinkedIn that bridges the opportunity gap for individuals with non-traditional backgrounds. See how they all say the same thing? Learn more about the program. This is for people who are wanting a career change, attended a boot camp, they're self-taught, don't have traditional degree, took a break from work. So, they on their website, they give you the application process and kind of tell you how to apply and everything like that. Let's look at the apprenticeship roles, what they got going on here. Artificial intelligence, machine learning apprentice engineer, and back-end apprentice engineer. So let me see. Is back engineering a good fit for me? Yeah, so they go into telling you all the qualifications and everything for it. What I like to do, you guys, is I go and I look up the salary for these. So I like to get the names. I mean, back end engineer, I kind of already know how much they pay. but I want to know how much they pay at LinkedIn. So let's just get eyes on this and see how much, because if you end up getting a job after the apprenticeship is over, you'll be making this. I mean, it's out of control. Okay. That's out of control. So now we got to take our calculator out. 148,965 divided by a year's worth. Wait a minute. That can't be right. What? 148,965 divided by 12. Yep, so that's $12,000 a month they'll be making. Let's just see. Of course, every 2 weeks you'll be making 6,000. I mean, it's out of control. To go from apprenticeship, maybe you'll be making what, $30 an hour? I would take an apprenticeship if they were even paying less than that. It's not about the money when you're trying to get an apprenticeship. It is about your experience and learning, because after that, you are about to skyrocket to salaries like this. I mean, depending on the company, LinkedIn is well known and a very established place to work. So yeah, it's just really exciting, you guys, to see all of these apprenticeships. All right, we got 2 more for you. And I'm going to make another video because I have way more that I wrote on my little sticky today. Okay, so another one is Microsoft. Microsoft's Leap Apprenticeship Program, open doors for aspiring tech professionals. Microsoft's program runs for 16 weeks, you guys, okay? Location for each position varies. Hopefully it's remote. Eligible applicants possess a minimum of 6 months of professional software development or project management experience. Interesting. They must also have completed a coding boot camp. So you see now this one has a little bit more qualifications that you need to have. Oh, look how cool. For Microsoft, you might also work with Xbox, Office 365, and Bing projects. That is cool. My son would be like, "What? You doing like stuff with the Xbox?" Okay, so we're at the website Forging New Career Paths. Doesn't look like they might have this open right now because I don't see anything under upcoming events. But we can click on Explore Pathways, see what happens. Engineering. So a lot of these programs, it says they're not currently accepting applications for Microsoft, but definitely check back because look, they're always probably doing it, but it gets a lot of applicants, and so then they don't have that opportunity any longer. But I definitely think that they're going to open back up. So it's just like Intuit, like I told you, they just closed theirs because they took the apprenticeships, they gave the apprenticeships to the people who applied already, or they're still going through the process of trying to figure it out. But they have like a limit of, how many people that they even want to look at their applications. So make sure that you save Microsoft to your notes or whatever and keep checking back on their website. All right, so Pinterest. Pinterest has a tech apprenticeship program. It's giving you access to training courses, technical training, and team projects. So I know what that means when it says it's giving you access to training courses. It's probably they're teaching you or making you, like when you do your homework or something like that, you go home and they'll pay for you to get on Treehouse or Codecademy. That's how my boot camp is they would pay for Codecademy, but because the pro one, it gives more things for you to do, more understanding, more of a deep dive into coding as far as like different languages are concerned. So let me see. This computer apprenticeship lasts up to 1 year and may lead to full-time employment. Assignments vary. Okay. So let me see. Applicants must be self-motivated, proficient in at least one programming language, and knowledge in software architect and coding. They may be self-taught graduates from a coding boot camp or those with a degree unrelated to computer science. Pinterest strongly encourages candidates from groups historically excluded from the tech industry to apply. Well, that's just perfect, isn't it? I know it is for me. Okay. These top tech companies are hiring first, training later. I love it. What did I just click on? I was supposed to click on Pinterest. Oh, I don't know what this led me to, but let's see what they've got. Yeah, it looks like this led me to like a blog or something. So you know what that's gonna have us do. Let's go ahead and Google Pinterest. Wait, first let's just see how much of oh wait. Okay, hold on. It was already in there, so mm, the average apprenticeship salary for Pinterest is I don't know about that, y'all. I don't want to be a UX designer. Let me see, software engineering. Okay, this can't be right, but this must be how much Pinterest pays for a regular software engineer. So could you imagine, you guys, getting into Pinterest, going through their program or any of these places? You're going through their program and you are, just an intern, you're an apprentice, and then at the end you get a job with Pinterest. Do you see how much they pay every year? Let's take out the calendar. I mean, I'm sorry, the calculator again, because this one is astronomical. I mean, $18,000 a month you would be getting. Divided by 2, you'd be getting 9K every 2 weeks. What? It's crazy. It's crazy. And look at this. There's levels to this. L3 could make up to $500,000, y'all. Or maybe not that's L3. This might be a L6. But that's crazy. $500,000. I don't even know if like the president gets paid that much. Let's see. What is the president's salary? You see, the president, he's running the whole organization on the United States and he only is getting paid $400,000. Like developers are getting paid more than freaking Biden. That's crazy to me. I knew it. I knew they didn't get paid a lot. A lot of people think the president get paid a lot, but they don't. So, yeah, just something to think about. I hope you guys took this and will run with it. Down here, they have a lot of boot camps, but I know these boot camps cost money. So I don't like to pay boot camps money. So I'll have another video. Well, I will let you guys know about free boot camps because those are the ones that really care and they really try to help you learn how to code. So until next time, I will see you guys next time. I'm going to start giving you guys more value as far as that's concerned when I'm not coding, but still stay tuned for my coding updates and, my life because I'm a developer and so are you. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.